Hi, welcome to this quick composing tip on how to make driving guitar tracks. Someone said go out and get some B-roll. I thought they meant show people what the weather's like. Turns out they actually wanted a photo of Steve standing on some Lego to show what we're going to learn. Ta-da! Did you like and subscribe? Apparently I've got to say that too. I can't have Steve stealing the show, so bye-bye Steve. The point here is there are 24 Lego notches. So if we set the time signature to 6/8, every 4 notches is a subdivision of that. We'll start with the standard Logic guitar sound, bit rubbish, never mind, and I'm going to literally just program that pattern into the MIDI roll. Let's copy the first bar into the third and move a note. Now let's take the first bar and copy it to the second, but this time let's add some notes to the end. Remember, if you're following along, 110 BPM. Then do the same for the fourth bar, but alter a note again. That's a basic driving guitar pattern complete. Now we just need to make it sound better. Let's try using Colossus from Spitfire. And tweak a few settings. Dropping it down an octave is going to help here. Now, let's get some reverb on this bad boy. And EQ its bottom. So where do we go from here? We could get a basic drummer track in if we like. Or we could go mad with some bass, I suppose. The obvious one is some damage percussion. So here we go. I hope that helps you get started on a driving guitar track. Steve says bye, but is wondering why you didn't like and subscribe. See you next time, kids.